So this is the last video before school's shut forever, or at least it seems that way. All right, so I am going to do this problem just because I love doing math. I love doing math for you. All right, so we are selling full price tickets and discount tickets. And we sold a total of 250 tickets. And the discount tickets, we made a total of $2,100. And the discount tickets were $6. The full price tickets were $9. And we want to figure out how to do this. Now, I would never in a million years use a graph to estimate this. I would just solve it using the combination method. So, in the spirit of efficiency, I'm going to multiply all this by -6. So I'll get -6f minus 6d is equal to 250 times 6. Obviously it's a negative, so -1,500. So subtract, so I get 3f, these cancel out, is equal to 600. So that means I sold 200 discounted or full price tickets. Well, that's kind of lame. That means we only sold 50 discounted tickets. So only 50 people wore a costume, or sorry, wore school colors. That's kind of sad. Oh, well. And just to double check this, so 200 times the $9, that's $1,800. 50 times $6 is 300, and 300 plus 1,800 is, so I double checked my work. Okay. All right, so we need at least 50 bucks. So we need our popcorn plus our juice earnings to be greater than $50. Now to graph that, let's go with popcorn and juice. I'm going to find my intercepts. So 50 divided by 1.2. Oh, geez. Well, so that's 0 juice, and my popcorn would have to be 41.7. And then 50 divided by 0.8. And so that would be 62.5, and then I can just graph it from there. All right. And then do my shading. Finally, sketch the graph for all the solutions. All right. So I'm going to make a quick sketch of a graph. You have graph paper hopefully at home. So, all right. So go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 60. How about so? Miss Stoddard is texting a ridiculous amount. My wrist keeps buzzing. I have to take off my wristwatch at some point. Okay, how about clear? Okay. All right, so, and we'll call this popcorn and juice. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. All right. So if we sell zero popcorn, 62 juice, just over 40, right? Now clearly if I sell 0 of each, then I know that, oh, at least. So I could make 50, so that's an equal sign. So we have a closed line. So if I sell 0 of each, I'm not going to get my $50. So clearly, I'm going to have to shade this side here. All right. For my other expression, about black. All right. We spend 15 cents for each bag. That's a popcorn bag. And 20 cents for every cup. And they can spend at most, so they can spend 15, but they can't go over $15. All right, so same idea. I'm going to go with popcorn and cups is 0 and 0. So 15 divided by 0.15. So that's, I can buy 100. So if that's, if the cups are 0, I can buy 100 bags of popcorn. If the cups are 0, I can buy 100 bags of popcorn. But if I don't buy any popcorn bags, let's say I have popcorn bags left over. So I have 15 divided by 0.2, and so I could buy 75. Now, clearly, my graph is a little wanting right now, but we'll do the best that we can. All right, well, light blue. Actually, I'm going to go with my favorite color, the whole Promethean palette, the maroon. So 0 popcorn, 75. Things of cups of juice, and then 100 bags of popcorn. So here's 90, here's 100. So here we go. And so if we bought 0 of everything, would we be less than 15? Yes. So then which means the region that works for us is this in between here. It's a little different shape than we're used to, and that's okay. And there we go. All right.